Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. In my previous video of Render token, I was showing you that after breaking out a down channel, it was moving down to retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and I was telling you that there is double hidden bullish divergence signal flash on the charts. Therefore, there is a probability for the price reversal. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then after this downward move, the price is moved up, and in today's video we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for Render that I shared on 14th of January, by the way, January of 2023. That was a harmonic, an expected harmonic bullish reverse guard pattern. You can see it was completing the final leg of this guard lay. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price and to drop more down, and once it will be entered here, then it can start the next price reversal. And by the way, this pattern was being formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down, and as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern, completed this leg, and then we had a very powerful pump. That was, by the way, more than 270% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now let me to take you here on the weekly time frame chart, and here we have a very huge development. You can see we have already broken out the resistance of this channel in the month of October 2022, but first we got rejected by this resistance of 85 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance. You can see previously here it was breaking as a resistance, and here as a resistance, and here as a support as well. And after forming a double bottom here at the support of 40 cents, the price line had a very nice rally, and now it has reached the next resistance here at $2, and now it is moving between two major support and resistance levels, from $2 to 85 cents. Now if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then during this move to the downside on a 4-hour time frame chart, first Render formed this falling wedge pattern. We broke out the falling wedge, and by the way, the target for this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge after this breakout, and that is approximately at $1.90, and that move is still due, because you can see that the price line has rallied up to $1 and approximately at $1.60, and after that we have the formation of another down channel, and now recently it has broken out this down channel as well. Now if we take a look at the target for this down channel, that is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at $1.60, and the target for this bigger falling wedge pattern is here at $1.90. Now let's move back here and let's take a look at this weekly time frame chart, and in my point of view, if the price line reaches here at $1.90, that soon it can also hit this $2 resistance as well to break it out, and the final target for this huge breakout, that move is, by the way, still due. That is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $8, from $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.